Oh, that was great. Yeah, I didn't know you knew some Eminem songs. That's pretty awesome. All right, cool.
I know a lot, Dad.
I know you do. Okay, that's why you surprise me so much. Okay. So whenever you divide, everybody on your test, you're going to use synthetic division. Okay. We're not going to do long division. We don't have enough time of it, and it's never on the SAT. Okay. So it's on the ACT, but not the SAT. So remember what you do is you look at what you're dividing by, and it's going to be a binomial every time. Okay, synthetic division works with just very simple binomials, but that's pretty important. So what we do is we use synthetic division, and I'm going to kind of write small here, and I'm going to pick the number that would make this guy 0. That's very important that we choose -1 for this window right here, and then what we do is we make sure that this is in order. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The powers of r are in order. And then what we do is we take the coefficients of each one of those terms. Okay. All right. Now what we do then is you execute the algorithm that you have to know how to do. And so if you need to write down the steps on your study guide, just go ahead and do it. But make sure that you do memorize that algorithm. Okay. So you're going to drop the 1, then you multiply going up. Okay, this stuff is really easy to do. That's going to be a positive that turns 8, -8. Then you get positive 6. You get -6. This is no remainder. Cool. So that means that we have this guy drops a degree. So this is going to be r to the third minus 4r to the second plus 8r plus 6. Right there. Okay. So remember, when you divide by r and you have r to the fourth, he will drop a degree. Okay. He doesn't gain a degree. That would be multiplying. Dividing, you're going to be dropping. Okay. Now, these are all the same. Okay. So now we got 1, 2, 3 more to do, and I'm just going to execute it. You just want to see if you get the correct answer. Notice I put 4 in the window. I put the coefficients of each one of these terms. Okay. All right, so here we go. Drop a 1. That's a 4. That's a 10. That's a 40. It's a 5. And look at that. Another no remainder. Okay, got lucky there. So if we started off with a cubic, it means this guy is going to drop a degree. So that's r squared plus 10r plus 5. No remainder. So where's our guy? Right there, A. All right. Okay, well, I did make a mistake when I did this. So that's going to, I just edited it out because what happened was I made a mistake that is quite common to do. I did not put a 0 for a squared. So you'll notice that the a squared term is actually missing. So I need to put a 0 there. And I went through this whole problem without the 0. And I could see it because my answer did not have enough terms. And so I made a mistake. We'll see how that goes. If you have 4, okay, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Okay, you should have 5, not terms, but 5 coefficients. Okay. Because you need 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so I missed that guy. So let's drop the 6, -48, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, and then -24. So this is interesting that the 6 represents 6a to the third, okay, plus 0a to the second, plus 0a, plus 3. So your final answer looks like this. A squared and just a to the first are actually 0. So this times this gives us this. Okay? That's really what we're doing. Okay? And that really, yes, it's on the SAT, but you really don't kind of appreciate this stuff and kind of enjoy like what it does on a practical level until you get into like the calc level. Now I'm going to be careful here. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 1, 8, negative 6, 17, negative 90. Okay, drop the 1, negative 9, negative 1, positive 9, 3, negative 27. That's going to be negative 10, and that's a positive 90. I can't believe none of these have remainders. That's crazy, but so it is. So this guy drops a degree, and you're going to get p to the third minus p to the second plus 3p minus 10. All right, now if this did have a remainder, then we would have done this. We would have taken, put that number, whatever that number is, it would have gone over p plus 9, what this guy is, okay? So watch out for that. It's definitely going to be on the test. Okay, you'll have a remainder, but for whatever reason, it might have been in the settings that this guy was set to don't have a remainder, okay? But that will change for your test. So watch out for that remainder, all right?